आगामी उपचुनाव की लड़ाई के साथ ही राज्य के राजनीतिक दल तीनों निर्वाचन क्षेत्रों में अपनी जीत सुनिश्चित करने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ रहे हैं और आने वाले उपचुनावों में महज एक हफ्ते का समय है और राजनीतिक दल अपनी जीत सुनिश्चित करने के लिए पूरी ताकत झोंक रहे हैं। पिनाइट सिंह सीएम के लिए प्रचार करते हुए 13 मावइंगनेंग निर्वाचन क्षेत्र के एनपीपी उम्मीदवार स्टार प्रचारक और नेशनल एनपीपी सुप्रीमो कॉनराड संगमा ने उमलिंग फुटबॉल मैदान में भारी भीड़ को संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि यह उपचुनाव एक खुली किताब के साथ एक परीक्षा है, क्योंकि मतदान करते समय या एक उम्मीदवार का चयन हम देखते हैं कि क्या वह सत्तारूढ़ सरकार का हिस्सा है। उन्होंने आगे कहा कि एमडीए गठबंधन के सभी प्रमुख घटकों ने मावइंगनेंग में एनपीपी उम्मीदवार को अपना समर्थन दिया है और पिनाइट सिंह सईम को एमडीए उम्मीदवार करार दिया है।
Candidate for this coming by-election, Bapanyat, all the other members who are present here on the dais, all friends who have come from different parts of the constituency to be here for this very important NPP meeting, and all my dear friends who are here attending this particular conference. I would like to first of all thank all of you for taking your time and coming here, and thank Almighty God for giving us this beautiful day and this time to have this wonderful meeting. I will not speak much because the leaders ahead of me had already spoken about the importance of this coming election. But all I would like to tell you is this election is like writing an exam with an open book. And the reason I say that is because whenever we are voting in an election or selecting, and status quo would be maintained. But MDA government has dared to take this step, has realized that people have given us the verdict to find a resolution to this long pending issue. And we dared and we moved forward. I am not saying that we will be able to find solution to every problem, but at least we are trying. At least we have moved forward. And I can assure you that there is light at the end of the tunnel. You will see that we will find some level of resolution. I cannot talk much about it today because it's a complicated matter. But whatever work we have done till now, it looks like the picture is getting clearer day by day.